Welcome to the PSR YouTube channel. Hey, I love YouTube. YouTube's awesome. It's awesome. You should become a YouTube creator. Totally. This video will get monetized. Yes.
Whoa, yeah. We're having lots of family fun now. Whoa, yeah. None of these are real guns now. Whoa, yeah. Also got a Patreon, the link is in description. Got some merch too, yeah, you know you wanna get some.
Thank you for being patient. I think we've stroked the algorithm enough for today. The video starts in 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? Have you ever wanted to get the perfect first-person shooting view on your phone? Well, we're gonna show you how to do that today. Recently, someone reached out in my DMs after I posted on my Instagram story shooting the Car 15 SD upper, which is awesome. And I set up my phone to get a perfect first-person view. I use this thing and we're gonna talk all about it, and I will put the link in the description for you guys if you like it. But first, I gotta thank the channel sponsor for PSR, and that is Aves Engineering. They've got all of the squirted glizzy rails that you could possibly want. Aves has also got a bunch of Mac parts, so if you're into Mac 11s at all, if you like to do some DIY projects, you're gonna love Aves. I would never use the code PSR for 10% off your entire order at Aves, and thank you again to Aves for sponsoring this channel. So I was originally given this idea by Marvin from AMMJ. Now, the AMMJ penumbra is this sweet laser that I've got on this Car 15 SD. It's got a T2 footprint on the bottom, so you can put any T2 riser or mount on there. You can also put just like a flat Picatinny mount. It's really, really, really cool, and it also has an RMR footprint on the top, which is just neat. So Marvin, who makes this laser and sells this laser, AMMJ, he said, yo, I got this rig if you want to have it. And I was like, dude, yeah. And so I finally got to test it out yesterday, and I posted to my Instagram story, and people were like, how? A lot of people, a lot of DMs. And so what we're gonna do in this video today is we're gonna try it on a bunch of different platforms. We've got my AK-102, my PSA AK-102 that's got the Sure Shot chassis on it, and we're gonna look through all these, you know, different kinds of optics. We're gonna do iron sights, red dots. We have a scope here, mailbox style red dots. We got the bigger red dots. We even have a pistol we're gonna try with this Terran Tactical Sand Viper and this massive Siley Bull X Pro. We're gonna see how it looks shooting through it. And we're gonna try our best to create that perfect first person view. We're gonna start it with the thing that started it all, actually. It's a Car 15 SD with this Gideon optics on top of the penumbra. It's really sweet because it's an integrally suppressed, real deal integrally suppressed, all the way back to here, MP5 SD style upper, but it goes with an AR. So it's really, really neat. CMMG radial delay. And let's show you how we're gonna rig it to our AR. All right, guys, so we have here my SBR lower Car 15 SD from Broad River Tactical. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna clamp this. This is the easiest one for sure, is the buffer tube. So it's really easy on an AR. Aiming is a little bit tough. I'm gonna show you how we do it. It's more just like if you make content or you wanna show what an optic looks like in your content to your viewers, like this is a great way to do it. You know, honestly, bend the arm any way you want, but this is from Small Rig, this here arm setup, and this is a Neewer adapter for your iPhone or your phone in general, whatever phone you use. We're gonna now put my phone on and just see which direction, because you can twist it all around. For you people who are into filmmaking and want to grade your footage, the app that I use is called Filmic Pro. In my opinion, it's the best app for post-production on getting the best quality out of the iPhone. But I don't know if you shoot Android, they probably make an Android version, honestly. But what you're gonna wanna do is unlock this thing, put your phone behind it, get this arm to come out here, and then we're gonna angle it so we get that view. Now, if you can see here, we're a little off to the side, so we're gonna need to fix that. All right. So with this app, you can manually focus, which is gonna help you. That's one of the reasons why I use it. It's gonna help you get just the perfect right amount of focus there. We're doing 60 FPS 4K. You might want to make it a little bit darker. I think that's pretty good. That's right about where we want to be, is right there. You can see we got our green dot right in the center of, or relatively at least, in the center of our image. And we're gonna try this out. Let's give her. Now, aiming is another whole story, but let's load the mag actually first. All right, so aiming is a different story, but you know, since this is for just visual purposes only, you know, not really training or anything, it should be all right. Oh, dick. What did we do? Look what we did. All right, we're going to load our weapon prior to doing this. And now it should be in the right spot, more or less. All right, here we go. Oh, baby. Come on, hit it. Going for the gong then. There it is. There it is. Nice. And we're out. All right. So we'll see how that footage looked like. But yeah, it wasn't that hard. I mean, close up it's easier. Hard to get the further away targets, but man, it looks cool. All right, we got our short barrel. This is a PSA upper with a Midwest Industries rail, and we got iron sights. We got a UTG Pro rear sight, kind of like the chopped carry handle. This looks pretty awesome, honestly, not gonna lie. I think we got the front sight lined up. I'm gonna try my best. This is gonna be a little difficult. Hit the bolt release. We'll see how well it does with the 5.56 recoil here. Damn, hitting these targets is gonna be a little challenging. Oh, well, that made a boom. Oh, that was a hit. Get that front sight post just perfectly dialed in. It's hard. Alright. Fuck it, I'll just... Yeah, so mag dumping with 5.56 short barrel, you might run into a little challenge with the arm. You just gotta tighten her up nice and tight. All right, here we go. Phil was saying this reminded him of that episode of Future Weapons with the folding Glock where you can go around the corners. PSA 102 sure shot chassis and a Novus. This is the PDS-1, I believe. Really neat clone of a Russian optic. The reticle is different. We'll see how this holds up to the AK recoil here. Definitely can see better through this one. Nice. I said we go over here a little bit. See if I can hit this target. Oh, tilted a little bit there. Gotta keep that thing still. There we go. And we're clear. All right, well, there's the AK setup. Not bad. It's definitely a challenge to film. This is our Recce IAR upper, and we got our Desert Tech lower with the mag well inserted because their mags aren't reliable. Let's see how it goes. I want to say this is a Swamp Fox scope on here. It's at 1 power right now, so we'll try shooting at 1 power, and then I'll move it up. But oh, dick, this is going to be interesting. Now we do have a binary trigger in here, which we're gonna see how we can let her eat here. All right, here we go. Loud. Oh, dick, yeah, that's a little bit of recoil. I'm gonna have to hold this, aren't I? Like real life. It's tuned for the can. Let's put the can on it. It's tuned for the can. Nice. That's a hit. Oh, now, zooming it cocks all the fucking eye relief. Just cocked. Oh, there we go. Just had to adjust her a little bit. Now we can see it all right. Let's see if I can keep some pressure on this and keep her still. All right, binary time. It's moving a little bit. So we're not getting perfect with the eye relief. It's tough with this. Let's zoom her out a little bit. That's it. All right, well, that looks cool. Once the eye relief is set, it was moving a little bit, but especially when you zoom it in, it's a little bit tougher to get that. But I mean, it looks super cool. The zoom, it looks really neat. Great way to do if you're like reviewing optics or something, or you want to show people what an optic looks like. That's pretty neat. All right, we got our MP5 and we got the dot set up. I don't think the dot is perfectly zero. This is going to be interesting, but we're going to see what this looks like. We got the CNC Warrior brace on here. All right, well, it's close enough. It seems to be okay. Oh shit! It's a little jiggly, but this guy's a little snappy. Put it into binary. That's it. Excellent. All right, guys, here is how you would do a pistol. You could put the clamp on like the light, but we tried that and it just wasn't staying put. So we got the TTI Sand Viper here. We're rolling. We'll show you what it looks like. I'm gonna pick up the tripod, try my best not to
pick it up at like the
yeah, I'm gonna pick it up at the back and try my best not to mess things up, but it does look pretty cool. All right, where's the trigger, eh? Here we go. Oh. Moving a little bit, but that's pretty cool. Slide lock back. That's pretty neat. I mean, the footage is gonna be cool. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you liked seeing some of the methods that I use for getting these first person shots, I've just recently discovered it. It's really neat. The small rig, we'll put all the parts that you need to build this in the description. Yes, we can finally put a link to something you can build in the description of the PSR videos. Oh, wow. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this, check it out. I do really appreciate you watching the video and just want to give you guys kind of a look inside the methods of how to film these. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye. That front sight post just perfectly dialed in. It's hard. Alright. Fuck it, I'll just